Hey, Charlie, my boy, how the hell are you?
How you, Ed? How you, Judy? Yeah. How many you got?
Full house today, friend.
Got one in there waiting.
Well, you're gonna have to keep on waiting. We ain't got no room.
Well, you need to tell Minnie, because he been here 2 days and Minnie wants him out of here.
Well, I can't give him a seat I don't have. Listen, why don't you take the passengers inside and introduce them to Minnie, warm yourself up, and drink some coffee.
Here we are, everybody. Minnie's haberdashery. Step outside, you and your friends can stretch your legs. When you're ready, step on inside, get warm by the fire, get some coffee in you. I'll introduce you to Minnie. Hey, Minnie! Business, but coffee would be the first thing you'd make. Come on in, everybody. Don't be shy. Hi! Everybody, this is Minnie, and this is her place. Behind me, tucking that chicken, is Gemma. Oh, lovely smile, that Gemma. Now, the fella in the uniform, I don't know, but the one he's playing chess with is Sweet Dave. Hiya, Dave.
Hey, Judy.
And Minnie, these are the passengers.